yeah, this was. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just giving you guys a spin a day with me because I have so much to do today, and I was like, why not vlog today since I have time? So this morning, of course, you know, I did my morning routine, and then I had to go to work. I had to log into work, but I only had to log in until 12. So right now it is 11:33, so I'm taking my 15-minute break so I can get myself together before it's time for me to clock out. So today is Thursday, November 2nd. Welcome November. New month, new goals, new healing experiences, new lessons, new everything. So welcoming the new month with a positive mindset. So pretty much right now I'm about to hurry up and do my makeup because Bellgium has a dog spa appointment at 12 o'clock. I'm gonna go drop him off. Jalen is home today, so he's actually gonna get Paris together, but she's going by her grandma's house. So agenda is dropping Bellgium off, going to drop Paris off by her grandma, going to get my hair done, wash my car, and go get Paris. And then come back home, and I don't know what we're doing for the rest of the day, but I guess we will find out. So now I'm just going to do my makeup and get ready for me to go prepare for the day. But to be honest, guys, I just got some tights on. I'm going to throw some thick socks on with those Uggs and throw on my undulato sweater since this is a promotional content day and I'm getting my hair silk pressed with my own products. So excited for this collaboration. I remember I mentioned it to you guys a while back, but yes, the day is here and it's finally happening. I had to get my hair done because we're in office next week and you know how that goes. And it's finally cold outside. It is officially silk press season for the curly girls. So guys, I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Enjoy. Bye.
Oh my mind. Listen, girl, I believe in the feeling. It's like something I can't explain, 'cause it's just different. I'll be damned if I can't see what your loving does for me. And it seems that I can't find the words to say. It ain't no sin, so won't you come in and we can begin to get to know each other. We don't have to rush. We can take it slow. In your eyes I see your soul. Baby, let me take you to a higher place. Ooh, baby, let's get closer. Won't you come in, darling? You don't have to worry, 'cause I got you, yeah. Take off all your clothes. Don't have to be afraid. I'll be good to you. I've got to let you know you're so precious. You're a dream. You're something special. What I need, oh baby, got to give you all of me. I wanna be everything. If you're ready, let me show you just how much you mean to me. Woo. Baby, let's get closer. Won't you come here, darling? You don't have to worry, 'cause I got you, yeah. Take off all your clothes. Won't you take off all your clothes? I'll be good to you. Come inside me, I promise you. Baby, let's get closer. Oh, won't you come here, darling? You don't have to worry. You don't have to be afraid. Take off all your clothes. Take off all your clothes.
Tubies, guess what? I thought my hair appointment was for 1 o'clock, but it's actually for 2 o'clock. So I came back home and I ended up trying to look at the address and it's for 2 o'clock. So we're back at the house and we're gonna leave for 1:15 and head there because it's 30 minutes away. So We already dropped Bellgium off. They came and got him out of the car. So to these later. Bye. Hi tubies. Y'all, today has been a long day. But y'all, I love my hair. Like, she did really good. I'll drop in the description box who did it. And of course, you know, I'm gonna drop the products. But guys, look at this. Like, it's so pretty. It's so cute. My hair is so long, guys. Like, I just cannot believe my hair got even longer. Like, every year I am surprised by how long my hair gets, and it's all because of, yeah, the name states itself. Like, these products are, they are a game changer. They are a life changer. Like, I am so proud of myself for this achievement. And you know, this Silk Press collection was just like one of the best things I came up with. Invented. Like, so proud. But guys, she is a natural hairstylist, so she specializes in doing natural hair. So she did tell me that my undulato products are 90% natural. Like, most of those products are natural. Some of them have natural synthetic chemical, but with colored hair, and with me specifically having blonde and bleached hair, you can't use natural, all completely natural products on blonde hair, is what she told me. It needs something that reacts with it. And she went into details, which I'll probably go into details on Undulato's page whenever she sent me the information on it, because that was something I really didn't know. So but it was really cool to find it out. And yeah, so one thing about having a hair product line, it is so hard to pass up opportunities. I recently got an opportunity with Pattern, and I recently got an opportunity with the line named Curls, and they want me to use their hair products in my natural hair because I have so much of it, and it is so curly and it is so healthy. I just feel like I'll be contradicting myself in a way. Like, I'm representing a hair care line that's for natural curly hair, and I feel like if I don't stick beside it, people are going to get the wrong concept. Like, why is she not using her products? Like, you know, I strongly believe in my hair care system. So the same way they believe in theirs, I believe in mine. Now, the only thing I would say, Opalex, I probably would get some Opalex products only for my the ends of the blonde hair, because I do need something other than natural chemicals that's going to actually help my ends get better, because I haven't been taking care of the blonde part of my hair. I'm just gonna be honest with you, I have not been taking care of it. And so that needs a little work, but you can probably tell just a little bit. Like, it stays moisturized, but like it's not moisturized all the time like it should be, because sometimes I just don't care. And when you have colored hair, it's a lot of maintenance. Like, honestly, it's certain products you have to use, certain treatments you have to do. Like, the only treatment that I put in my hair is that lemongrass hot oil treatment that I have that works amazing with my ends, which I haven't been doing it. So had I been doing it, I probably would have had better results with my ends, but it's okay. She's gonna get me together. She loved the Silk Press collection. Like, she loved it, and I am so happy that she loved it. So she kept it, and she'll be using it again. So I have one more person that will receive their Silk Press collection, another salon. She should receive it by tomorrow or Saturday. So I cannot wait till I get that content in, guys. I'm back motivated. I am back motivated. This is what I needed. I needed. Oh my gosh, I cannot explain to y'all how bad I needed this motivation. Like, this has been crazy. Next week will be even crazier. I cannot wait to this court date to see what the verdict is gonna be. Like, I might be outside the courtroom at this point. And if it falls through, it's not even for my case. That's the thing. And I think I'm very happy about that. It's not for my case. So he still got 2 more cases that's pending. And maybe that lawyer, that's why you work hard, to have stuff. You have to have emergency funds for stuff like that. So baby, when I say that lawyer and that prosecutor work side by side. But she did keep it real with me. It may not be this year. It may not be the beginning of next year, but something's gonna happen, and I'm just gonna pray. Also, I have something to tell you guys, but I think I'm gonna wait until vlog number 10 to tell you, because a big major life change is coming our way, and I'm just so excited. So, tubies, I was gonna do my nighttime routine on camera, but unfortunately I am just too tired to keep setting up the camera, and I need different angles, so it's not gonna work out tonight. So I'm gonna pin curl my hair up like she told me to, and I'm gonna throw that scarf on and that bonnet and get in the shower, do my skincare routine, and go to bed, because I have to be at work tomorrow. But it's Friday, so can't complain. But it was so nice spending the day with you guys. For the new people that's here, I hope you liked it. Please stay, subscribe to my channel, share it, like this video, comment with any suggestions, anything, have a conversation with me. It doesn't matter. I am such a warming, open, and loving person, so don't be scared. But guys, it was nice talking to you, and I'll see you guys in the weekly vlog. Bye, Tubi.